Hi, I'm Veronica Belmont here at CES 2008 with Art Lebedev, who has created the fantastic Optimus Maximus keyboard.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about this keyboard and what makes it different and why everyone's so excited about it.
Well, thank you for telling me that everyone's excited about it. This keyboard is different from anything else on the market because every key on this keyboard has a display inside.
It's an OLED display?
Yes, we use OLED technology here.
And what's the resolution of the displays on the keys?
Each key is 48 by 48 pixels and about 2 by 2 centimeters in size.
So since they're screens, you can obviously configure the keyboard however you want.
It's totally remappable and totally reconfigurable, and you can make any button not only look the way you want, but also do whatever you want. So it can not only print the letter A, it can also print your email signature or do whatever you want.
Can you show me the configuration software?
Yes, it's here on the screen. You can see right now the English, the standard QWERTY layout. So you can take any letter, choose any font for that, choose any size for that, choose any color if you wish, or if you are tasteless enough, you can choose any background color like this. No, not tasteless enough, like this. And here you go. You can even choose some really bad font like this one and make it oversized. And it will appear on the display and make it bold and italic. Yeah.
So you can see a preview of it on the configuration software before you actually put it on the keys.
Actually, you can select multiple keys here in Configurator and change all the font and change all the sizes and change all the colors and change all the background colors as well. So to create the most tasteless configuration possible in seconds and upload it to the keyboard.
You seem very excited about making it look as tasteless as possible.
Yes, that's something we have to worry about, because when you give such an easy tool to make tasteless thing, people just immediately start to explore it, and it's very hard for them to come back. So we have to provide a lot of configurations that they cannot easily damage and easily destroy. This one is Photoshop configuration. Also, every image is editable. You can use default key or maybe assign some action just by tying it to the action. You can choose any file, find this file and then load it here, and so on. So
there's preset customizations for each different program?
Exactly. With the configurator comes with lots of different layouts already predefined, pre-designed, and pre-drawn. So people will be like clock on a space bar. It will be a plugin. People will not be able to write it in a second on their own. But we have to provide it, of course.
And this is something that gamers would probably enjoy as well, PC gamers?
I hope so, yeah. All kinds of weapons and scores on the keys. And there are some things people never thought could be possible, like blinking the whole keyboard with red, like saying something like the high alert state.
If you catch some aggro when you're playing, it'll tell you?
Yeah, okay. You can even play Minesweeper on the keyboard, actually.
Nice. And what are these keys over here on the left?
These keys are for whatever you need, because when we designed the keyboard, we immediately realized that people will be, the standard keys will be not enough for regular use, because people will want some additional keys to do some additional functions. So we put these 10 extra keys here, making it the escape key here is a bit hard for some people to find, because you usually press it here. But they can reconfigure that. They can have escape key on any other key if they wish.
Now this is obviously a higher end keyboard, and it's a little high in the price range. How much is it going for?
It's starting at $460 and going up to $1,500.
And I heard that you can actually purchase keys as you go.
Yeah, you may do so. You may buy the lowest end configuration with only one display, and the rest will be just the plastic keys.
So it's kind of like a payment plan.
Yeah, and then you wash dishes at McDonald's, and you earn your $100 and you go buy 10 keys and just install them. I can show you how to do that.
Sure.
So first of all, you have to unplug the power, because that's the first thing you have to do while working with any electrical appliance. Then you use this special high-end tool called Key Remover. You put your finger through it, you stuck it in the keyboard and remove the key.
So I've done that before, but with car keys. I actually popped them out that way.
Yeah, but those keys didn't have any displays inside.
That's true.
Yeah. So here, OLED screen is inside, and you see all the contacts here, and you can see the inner workings. Inside there, we have 20 pins, as well as cherry switch, which is mechanical. It's not membrane, not silicon type of keyboard, so it's pretty, you physically feel the reaction. And then, like, for example, this was a plastic key, so we just put it away. We spent our $10 and bought a key with a display. So, and we can install it here. It's done like this. We press it firmly and put power back on. So it works. Now we've washed a lot of dishes, so we have the full keyboard configuration here, and we can use it for typing or for whatever.
And when is this going to be available in the U.S.?
It's already available for those who paid in May, and some other months after May. People have to wait a little bit until we finish the software, because right now the problem here is that we don't have the firmware that's user upgradable. So within a couple of weeks we'll be sending keyboards with a firmware that allows upgrading. So people will receive a limited functionality keyboard, but they will be able to download the firmware and upgrade it themselves with just one click.
All right, excellent. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
At CES 2008, I'm Veronica Belmont.